everyone, welcome to the HowStation. Guys, first of all, I want to thank all of you so much from the bottom of my heart. My channel has crossed 4,000 subscribers on YouTube and it feels so great, and it's been possible only because of you guys, because of your love and support. So thank you so much for all those who have subscribed to my channel, all those who watch my videos, like, comment on my videos. This journey has been possible only because of you guys. It just feels so great. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and join me in the journey to 5k subscribers. We are just 500 subs away from 5k, so please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And second, I want to apologize to you guys for not being regular with my uploads in the past few days. I was facing a few technical issues due to which I wasn't able to film, edit and upload my videos, but I'm back now and I'll be regular on this channel as well as my travel channel. You can watch my travel channel over here in this little eye, or over here. Where is it? Somewhere over here in the little eye. I guess it's over here. Yeah, the little eye over here. You can watch my travel channel. And on this channel, Thursdays we have makeup and Sundays we've got craft. On my travel channel, the day is not fixed, but there'll be one upload every week. So please do subscribe to both my channels if you haven't already. And that being said, let's begin with today's video. Okay, so talking about today's video, if you follow YouTube trends, I'm sure you might have seen this trend going on in the beauty community where it says, I tried following a dash tutorial, where you take a YouTuber and you follow their tutorial step by step. Now, I don't usually follow trends, but I thought that this was a pretty cool idea because I learned how to do my makeup by watching YouTube videos, and then following a tutorial step by step would be something really fun. So I thought of doing this trend. And so for that, I did a little poll on my Instagram where I asked you guys whether I should follow an Indian YouTuber or should I follow an international YouTuber. And 47% of them, no, actually 57% of them said Indian and 43% of them said international. So basically I should be following an Indian YouTuber, but I didn't want to disappoint the ones who voted for the international YouTuber. So I thought, why not do a YouTuber who has got Indian roots but has made a name in the international market as well. And the first name that popped into my head was Kaushal Beauty. And luckily for me, just after thinking of doing this video, Kaushal happened to upload a video a day or two after I thought of doing it. So I just thought that why not follow the recent one, the recent video that she has uploaded. And Kaushal is such an inspiration for most of us, so I thought that she will be perfect for this. So in today's video, I am going to follow a Kaushal. I am going to try to follow a Kaushal Beauty tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. Okay, so the tutorial that I will be following today is from Kaushal Beauty and it's a recent upload. It's called the Coral Halo Eye Makeup Tutorial, and in this tutorial she's already done her base and she's focused only on her eyes, and that is why even I have done my base already and I'm just going to follow the steps that she's showing, or the steps or like the eye makeup that she's showing. So let's begin with the video. And in this video I'm just scrolling through my laptop to see what product she's used. She's used the NYX palette, and I'll just check which palette is it exactly and I'll let you all know. Just give me a minute, my laptop is acting up. Come on. Okay, so for this tutorial or for the eye makeup, she's used the NYX Ultimate Multi Finish Eyeshadow palette in Sugar High. So I don't have that palette with me, so I'm just going to use whatever I have. I'm just going to mix in all my palettes and I'm going to try and get shades as close to as what she's using. So I guess that being said, I guess we should just start with the tutorial now. Oh, so the first shade that she's using is kind of a brownish one. Now, I guess that this shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette is the closest to what she's using. So I'm just going to pick that up onto my blending brush and apply that in my crease as she's doing. Her shade is more of like it's got some pink undertones to it, and mine is more to the brown side, but this is the closest that I can get, so yeah, I'm just going to follow this one. I actually would have never done this if it's like more colorful eye or something like this. I always prefer doing my eyes first and then go for my base, because I don't know, I just feel so scared that I might mess up my eyes and then I'll just have to redo everything. But since today we are going the Kaushal way, I am just going to do as Kaushal says. Okay, so I've got that into my crease. Okay, so next step is,
now that we've got that,
the next shade that she's applying is more of a corally shade, and this is the Cinema and TV Makeup Studio 40 color eyeshadow palette, and this shade right here is like the closest that I can get, and the one that she's using is more of a matte finish, and the one that I have is it's got like a shimmery finish, but then that's the only color that matches up to what she is using, so I'm just going to use what I have. So, putting that into the crease again. Oh my god, I'm so scared to do this. I mean, like, I've never followed a tutorial step by step. This is the first time. I do watch YouTube videos and then I recreate things as per my convenience, but this is like going step by step and doing whatever Kaushal is saying. So yeah, I'm pretty scared for that. So let's see how it turns out to be.
Now it's time to do
okay, so I am packing. Oh my god, I've got fallout. Oh my god, I've got fallout, but okay, so it's all about packing the shade.
I'm leaving like the middle bit quite empty because we're going to go in with some shimmer in there. It's going to add some more depth to the whole look. It's going to do the same thing on the other eye as well.
Damn this fallout. Is the palette that I'm using right now, the Cinema and the TV one. It's like a very cheap palette. It's just for 175 rupees, so it definitely cannot be compared to the NYX palette, but the shade is like pretty much what the NYX palette has got, and that's why I'm using this palette, because I don't have any other color which will come close to the one that Kaushal is using from the NYX palette. But it's not at all pigmented, oh my god, and that's why I'm having a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to pack on this color and just clean out my fallout. And
to add some like fun to the eye, I'm gonna take this shade right here on my flat brush. This is exactly the same brush that I used when I did this eye look. I'm gonna really grab a good decent amount of that on the brush. I'm also gonna spray it with some
okay, so the one she's using is like more of an orangey shade, but I cannot see any orangey shade, so I'm going to use the shade Favor from my Makeup Revolution palette. So I'm going to grab a good amount of that as she's doing. and then I'm going to spray some makeup setting spray onto it. Now I usually go the other way around. I first spray the makeup setting spray, and then I take the shadow. But we're going the Kaushal way. I'm just going to follow the steps that she's showing, and this is actually giving me a very good pigment. But this eyeshadow is already very pigmented, like this palette is already very pigmented. So
And then taking the back side of the brush,
okay, so for those shades I'm going to use Ice Cold and Pink Diamond on the back side of the brush.
And I'm going to flip the brush back round to that coral shade and kind of help blend that in so it doesn't look too light.
And then again going back to the other side and
but now I'm
going again with that same shade onto a pencil brush, the orange or the corally shade, which is giving me a lot of fallout, and then packing it down to the person who has created this challenge, because getting the exact shades and doing it in the way that the gurus are showing it is just so difficult. So and I'm going to go in with the brown shade from the nudes palette, and then I'm going to just diffuse it into my crease. Okay, now it's time to work on the lower lash line, and
for that I actually
so she's using like a maroon shade, a brown shade, and the orange shade. So I am going to use Caffeine Fix, Peachy, and Drama Queen. Yeah, I'll use these three shades on my lower lash line. So I'm going to take Peachy first because she's going in with lightest shade, and to the lower lash line.
Cleaning up a little bit. Very quickly, I'm going to line just my upper waterline, and this is just going to help all the lashes look thicker. And I'm actually going to take my total.
Okay, now the next step that she did is like she applied mascara and she applied false lashes. Now if you guys watch my tutorials or watch my videos, you might know that I never ever apply false lashes. That is because I cannot apply them. So even today I'm not going to try to apply false lashes and just mess up the thing that I have done on my eyes. So I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara and be right. Oh, so I missed this point. Before the cleaning and the mascara, we were supposed to apply the other two shades. That's I'm using Caffeine Fix and Drama Queen. So I missed that, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply that in my lower lash line. And then the next step, she is just deepening up any shadows which she feels that needs some deepening. So I'm just going to go with that corally shade because I feel that it does need a bit of deepening. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend everything in with my blending brush.
Do it.
Also, in the next step, she is applying an Urban Decay liner on to the center part. Now I don't have anything like that or anything which will be close to that, so I'm just going to skip this step and I'm going to move forward to the next step. Oh, and then after that is highlighter. So I've done my highlighter as well. Oh my god, I had watched this video like 5 days ago, so I just forgot what steps she had done. But I thought that she's done her complete base. It was she had skipped the highlighter and the blush part. She had done the contouring and bronzing, but she had skipped the highlighting part. So yeah, I have already done my highlight and my contour and everything, but I'm just going to highlight my brow bone.
Thing that I've been doing,
okay, so this beauty spot thing, even I've got a beauty spot, but mine is pretty light. But I'm going to
make it a little bit more
pop it as she's done. Oh, for the lips, she has mixed 3 shades, and I don't have those 3 shades, so I'm just going to apply this shade from Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. This is cinnamon brown. And then I'm going to apply Mauve Magic on top of it. And then I'm going to go back with a cinnamon brown and apply that on top of Mauve Magic again. And the last step is to set everything with and this completes the tutorial, you guys.
The end of this tutorial, something a little bit bright with.
So guys, this was my version of I tried following a dash tutorial in which I followed Kaushal Beauty, and I hope I've done justice to the look. I'm not going to judge, I'll let you guys be the judge, so do let me know in the comments down below. Did I do fair enough with the look, or what do you think on how you thought I recreated or I followed the Kaushal Beauty tutorial? Do like the video if you all enjoyed watching it, share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking on the circle over here that has got my face in it, and do hit the bell icon after you subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a good day and goodbye.